Ever pondered about the birth of a honeybee? In the heart of the bustling hive, the queen bee reigns supreme, laying up to 2,000 eggs each day. From these tiny beginnings, the honeybee emerges, destined to become a worker, a drone, or perhaps even a queen. Each type of bee has a unique role within the colony, a meticulous social structure that thrives on cooperation and duty. From the moment of birth, each bee is destined for a unique role in the hive. Imagine being born into a world of relentless toil. This is the reality for the worker bee, a dedicated member of the honeybee society. From the moment it hatches, its life revolves around service to its colony. In the early days, the worker bee takes on the role of a nurse, caring for the queen and her brood. It meticulously tends to the larvae, feeding them and keeping the brood cells clean. As the worker matures, it graduates to the role of a forager, venturing out into the great unknown in search of nectar and pollen. The worker bee's navigation skills are astounding, able to find its way back to the hive from miles away. Throughout its life, which lasts a mere 6 weeks during the summer, the worker bee will have contributed to the survival of the hive in countless ways. From nurturing the next generation of bees to finding food, the worker bee is truly the backbone of the hive. What about the drone, the only male in the hive? Naturally, this elicits curiosity. Drones are quite distinct in the bee world. Unlike their industrious sisters, the worker bees, drones lead a seemingly leisurely life. Their sole purpose, mating with a new queen. Yes, you heard it right. Their entire existence is dedicated to ensuring the continuation of their species. It's a short yet significant role. They might not gather nectar or build combs, but without them there would be no next generation. The drone's short yet significant contribution to the continuation of the hive. And at the heart of the hive, the queen bee reigns supreme. The matriarch of her buzzing domain, the queen bee's journey begins as a larva, fed on a diet of royal jelly, a protein-rich secretion from worker bees. This special nourishment triggers her development into a fertile queen, a unique transformation among the hive's inhabitants. As the sole egg layer in the colony, the queen bee shoulders the responsibility of ensuring the hive's continuity, laying up to 2,000 eggs per day. That's more than her body weight in offspring every single day. Her other crucial role lies in maintaining harmony within the hive. She produces pheromones, chemical signals that regulate the behavior of other bees, keeping the hive functioning as a cohesive unit. Her reign may be brief, lasting just a few years, but the queen bee's impact is profound, ensuring the survival and success of her colony. The queen bee, a vital cog in the honeybee society. And what becomes of a honeybee at the end of its life, you may ask? Well, the cycle of life and death is as present in the hive as it is anywhere else in nature. In the natural order of things, a honeybee's lifespan varies depending on its role. Worker bees usually live for 5 to 6 weeks during the summer, while drones live until they mate, or for about 90 days if they do not. The queen, on the other hand, can live for several years. When the end comes, it's not a solitary affair. Worker bees take on the solemn duty of removing their deceased sisters from the hive. This process, known as undertaking, is a crucial part of maintaining hive health. It's a testament to the honeybee's commitment to the collective, even in death. The hive continues its cycle, each bee's life and death contributing to the rhythm of the colony. In death, as in life, the honeybee remains a crucial part of the hive. How does the hive survive through the seasons, you may wonder? Well, honeybees are masters of adaptation, adjusting their behavior to the rhythm of the seasons. As winter approaches, the hive ramps up honey production. This golden elixir not only serves as food for the colder months, but also as insulation, helping to retain the hive's warmth. During this time, the hive's population decreases, conserving resources and ensuring survival. Come spring, the hive buzzes with renewed energy. It's swarm season, a time of colony expansion. Some of the bees, along with a new queen, will leave to establish a new colony, ensuring the survival of their species. Summer sees the hive at its busiest, collecting nectar and pollen in abundance, while autumn is a time of preparation for the cold months ahead. Through every season the hive endures, a testament to the resilience of these buzzing marvels.